In this video, we will find out if leaf propagation in Haworthia is possible. There is a proper way to take a leaf. First, remove the side of the leaf with a knife and then slowly peel it off sidewards. There are times that we need to slice both ends of the leaves in order to take a clean cut. This is a clean cut. There is no wound in the bottom of the leaf. Now let's take another leaf, slice the side and then peel it off slowly. Again, this is a clean cut. Let's take another leaf. We'll just redo the process. Slice the side and then peel it off sideways slowly. Okay, this is again a clean cut. This is not a clean cut. There's a wound, so this will not be successful if we leaf propagate this. Okay, let's repot the mother plant. Now let's pot the leaves. Just make sure that the soil is totally dry because we need to heal the wounds for about a week. After 1 week, then we can start watering. After 8 weeks, let's see if there's any progress. There's no progress here. No roots either. And this one, no roots too. Let's wait a little longer. After another 10 weeks, 18 weeks from start, now this leaf has a root growth. Let's check the other one. This one too have roots. And this one too have roots too. So we have a progress right now. So we have a progress on the 18th week. Take a closer look of the roots. Now, let's repot and continue the experiment. After months of waiting, there is still no growth, just roots. But after 9 months, 9 months and 3 weeks to be exact from leaf propagation, there is visible growth now. This one don't have any visible growth. This one also have a growth. Let's have a closer look. Let's remove it from the pot one by one so you can see what's really happening inside. And this one that we said there's no visible growth yet, but actually there is a very small shoot underneath. Okay, let's wash it so you can see clearly. This is the first leaf with shoot. This is the second leaf with shoot. And this is the third leaf with shoot. What do you think of our experiment about leaf propagation for Haworthia? Is it worth to wait for almost a year for leaf propagation? Please comment your answers below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!